Good morning, students. Now we'll study about the islands and rivers, and the life of Amazonians also in this chapter, in this video. Okay. So first one, island group, Tierra del Fuego in extreme south. It is separated by Magellan Strait. Cape Horn is in extreme south. You can see here, Cape Horn is in extreme south, and you can see the island here, Tierra del Fuego. You can also see the Falkland Island here, which is present. Okay. Then we also have a Falkland Island, which is 300 miles away from the southern tip of the continent, and lying in the Pacific Ocean. Galapagos Island is also there. It consists of 12 large islands. Then in the rivers, we have studied about Orinoco, Magdalena, Amazon River, Parana, Paraguay, and Uruguay. It also forms the La Plata river system. We have studied. Orinoco is found in Guiana Highlands in the last class I told you, and in Venezuela towards the Atlantic Ocean. Magdalena in Colombia, and it runs parallel to the mountain and it drains into the Caribbean Sea. Amazon is the longest river. It is covered with a snow-capped region. It is also always covered with the snow. Then in Brazil we have many large rivers, and then Parana, Paraguay, they have the La Plata system. There are very few lakes in South America. Titicaca is the second highest freshwater lake. It is the highest freshwater lake in the world, situated in the plateau of Bolivia. Then among the highest peak of South America, Mount Aconcagua, and Mount Ojos del Salado, then Monte Vesus, Cerro Monte, and Tres Hornos Sur. Okay, these are the highest peak. Case study: life of Amazonians. So the Amazon basin is a part of South America, and it is also drained by the Amazon River and its tributaries. Okay, it is one of the richest area of the world, children, where animal plant diversity is found. Animal and plant diversity is found. Okay, here the climate is hot, wet and humid. Lifestyle of the people, if you will see, it is a home to indigenous tribes, means primitive types of people live here, where they have their own society, where kids do not go to a formal school. They are trained by their own elders in their families. Okay. As the region, it is densely populated, so agriculture cannot be done. So Amazon tribes people, they are hunter and food gatherer. People live in communal buildings, and communal houses are made of bamboo. Communal houses. These houses are made of bamboo, and they're covered with banana and palm leaves. Okay. The language, they have their own language, which includes some of the cultural dance, crafts, songs, and medicine also they make by themselves. There are many tribes who believe in animism. Animism is the belief that spirits inhabit animate and inanimate things. Many of the tribes are still food gatherers and hunters till today also. Okay, many of the tribes, they practice shifting cultivation. Men and women, they play a distinct role within their village, and women are responsible for cooking, household chores, and they take care of the children and grow crops. Men do hunting, and fishing is also an important part of life. Yanomami is the tribe. It is the largest tribe in the Amazon rainforest. Some of the different kinds of fruits which are grown here are papaya, corn, but the population is rapidly decreasing due to deforestation. Trees are being cut here due to that. Okay, what is the life of Amazonians today? What do you know about the life of Amazonians today? The native people of Amazon rainforest, they still live in deep forest, and they are affected by outside world. Okay, as they are coming into contact with the civilized people, they have started wearing western clothes. They also have started using metal pots, pans, cooking utensils. Some of the tribals are making handicrafts to sell to the tourists, and many of them are going to the city markets to bring food and other necessities. Okay, the tribals of Amazonians, Amazon rainforests are presently at forefront of conservation forest, even embracing the modern technology. They are also using the modern technologies and new policies mechanism to safeguard their forest culture and tradition. Okay, so in life of Amazonians, in the islands we have studied, there are Tierra del Fuego and Ferdinand Island. Okay, these are the islands which are present here. In rivers we have studied about the Magdalena River, Orinoco River, and we have also studied Parana, Paraguay and Uruguay. They form the La Plata river system. In Amazon rainforest, the Amazon forest is a very dense forest where agriculture cannot be practiced and deforestation is also going on there. Life of Amazonians, the people who live there, they are mainly the primitive people who practice hunting and food gathering. Okay, so here people, men and women, they have different kinds of work, and the children do not go to the school. The elders only teach them whatever is possible. Life of Amazonians have improved today because of the Western culture. They have started wearing clothes. They have also started using utensils, and they are also using some of the modern technologies by seeing the Western culture. Okay, till there, till your course is complete. Chapter 2, landforms, and this chapter South America is coming into exam. In the next video, children, I will give you the answers of this chapter, which you have to do in your copy. Okay, do all the answers in your copy, and all the this one. Short answer questions you can mark in the book, long answer questions and reflect why. Long answer questions and reflect why, it is there. Let me see, yes, differentiate between, reflect why and answer in detail you have to do in your copy. Answer in brief, agree and disagree, and fill in the blanks you can do in your book. Okay, these 3 part of the questions I will be telling you you have to do in the book, and answer in detail you do in your copy. In the next video I'll give you the exercises of this chapter. Till then you revise this chapter till here, read all the topics, and whatever you don't understand you may ask in the live classes. Okay.